Okay, so today we're going to be doing a video. It's going to be fairly short and to the point, but it's a question that we get here in the shop all the time, and that is, how do I achieve streak-free glass? Here in our shop, we like to use the Klin Glass Shine towel. This towel can be used both with just distilled water or the glass cleaner of your choice. Today we're going to be using Angel Wax Vision as our glass cleaner. It's a very powerful glass cleaner. It works great, and we use it all the time, both to clean dirty glass and to prepare the outside of the glass for a glass coating such as Q2 Repel, NV Glass, or Angel Wax H2Go. Here in the shop, we like to dilute it 1-to-1 with distilled water. This helps save us money, and we feel that it yields an excellent result. I'm going to be using this unit here, which is about 4 to 5 months old. It's been washed multiple times and used multiple times. As you can see, it has a little bit of staining here and there, but the great thing about Klin towels is that even after multiple washes, they continue to work very well. There are two different ways to clean glass. One is you can spray the cleaner directly onto the glass. The other is you can spray it into the towel. I recommend spraying it directly on the glass if you're cleaning the outside of the glass prior to the glass coating. I recommend spraying it directly into the towel if you're doing the inside of the glass so that you don't get overspray on your interior panels. For today's video, I'm going to do both. I'm going to spray it both on the glass and into the towel just to show you guys how I do it. And as you can see, the glass is very smudged up. I took the liberty, with the owner's permission, of smudging up the glass after my fingers were greasy with my breakfast and making it as dirty as possible to simulate a very dirty glass for you guys. Additionally, this car has been window tinted by Carolina's Finest Window Tinting. He did an amazing job with it, and tinted windows are going to show any sort of streaking and smudging in glass more so than a non-tinted window. So here we go. One thing to keep in mind, you always want to have the towel as flat as possible on the glass. So you'll see that I fold it, I quarter it up very nice. And when I'm cleaning, I try to keep it as flat as possible. I'm going to flip over to the dry side and use that to buff off any residue. As you can see, the glass is perfectly streak-free. It was a very simple process, and we really enjoy using these towels in our shop to get streak-free glass.